want to show you what I just found in my potato bag. This. What is that, right? It's growing little things. These are your future potato plants, and they are your friends. Say hello to your friends. I'll show you how to make potato plants out of this. So you see this guy here? Look at all these little sprouts. Those are all potential potato plants. And I'm going to show you how to cut it up to make it so you can keep it into 3 different plants. So what we did here, you want to keep some of the potato with it, and you're going to see how that works. So look at, you got here, here, and here. Obviously this one is going to sprout like crazy, right? So what you're going to do is you're going to pretend like this is the ground. So what you're going to do is you're going to put this in the ground just like that. You want to face it up. This guy, same thing, just face him up like that. Him like this. They'll find the sunshine, but you're going to want to cover it up with dirt to about there. So you see this depth right here, about an inch of dirt on top of it, and then they're going to come out. So here's the potatoes. I cut it into those 3 different pieces. So we're going to put him in the ground just like this. We're going to cover it over with some soil. Now everybody likes to do it a little bit differently. I like to just do it something along that line and then stake it so I know where it's at. But only about an inch of soil, and then as it grows out, then I'll kind of make like a potato mound and put more dirt around it.